In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best freelancers on Fiverr for your projects. We'll go from opening the site to narrowing down results, evaluating profiles, and reaching out the right way so you can hire with confidence. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, and typing Fiverr. Click the official Fiverr website. This takes you to a massive marketplace of services across design, development, writing, marketing, and more. If you ever wonder whether you're in the right place, look for the Fiverr.com address in your browser bar. Before you dive into searching, take a moment to define your needs clearly. Think about your goal, the exact deliverables you expect, any must-have technologies or tools, your budget range, and your deadline. The clearer you are here, the faster you'll spot the right fit and avoid miscommunication later. For today's example, let's say we need website development. In the Fiverr search bar, type website development and hit enter. You'll see a wide set of results, from simple landing pages to full-stack builds. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. Filters will help you focus quickly. Use the filters at the top to refine your results. You can adjust category, service options, seller details, budget, and delivery time. All of these matter, but let's prioritize the seller details section, because who you hire is just as important as what they offer. Inside seller details, look for seller level. You'll see options like top-rated seller, level 1, level 2, and new seller. For the strongest track record, choose top-rated seller. These freelancers have consistently high ratings, excellent delivery performance, and strong client feedback. You'll still want to review profiles carefully, but this filter is a smart first pass. Now, open a few promising profiles and check them closely. Read the gig description to confirm the seller's skills match your scope. Browse their portfolio to see work that looks like what you need. Note the star rating and the number of reviews, and read a mix of recent and critical feedback for context. Review what's included in each package, the number of revisions, delivery timelines, and any listed extras. Clear, detailed profiles usually signal thoughtful professionals. Before ordering, always communicate. Click Contact me on the gig page, then click Ask a question. Briefly describe your project, your goals, the timeline, and your budget range. Share any links or references that illustrate your expectations, and ask about their approach, availability, and what they would deliver for your scope. Confirm price, milestones, and delivery time in writing so everything is aligned. That's it. Find Fiverr, define your needs, search and filter, review profiles, and message the seller before you order. Follow these steps and you'll be set to hire the right freelancer for your project.